Ayan. Happy?
Basta ay.
1, 2, 3. Happy
Birthday! Happy
A few moments later.
Happy
birthday!
Hey! Len, happy birthday na sana more tokwa to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Len. More blessings and birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, ate. God bless you and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mommy! So, it's another year that has come up. It's going to be hard and also fun, which I hope there's going to be more fun stuff to do, new lessons to learn, and new things to grow from. And this year, I will try to improve in my school. And as for you, I will pray that you actually reach your dreams, whatever they may be. I'm also sorry for everything else that I have done in the past, but other than that, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy this day, and love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tita. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, I8,
Happy birthday, Tita! Wish you all the best! And God bless! Enjoy your birthday!
Enjoy the day!
Happy birthday, sister. Wala akong maisip sabihin. Huwag mo na kasi video niya ako muna para yung...
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, te. Okay?
Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Designer pa.
Ito naman.
Happy birthday, tita.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Kyrie?
Happy birthday po, Tita. Sana madamay pang birthday na aabot sa'yo. Tsaka magandang kalusugan at bless you po.
Okay, Kurt?
Happy birthday, Tita!
Okay. Happy birthday, te. Thank you so much for everything, for always being there for us. At yun lang. Sana, ingatan mo yung kalusugan at
Kala ko si ate.
sarili natin, ang health natin. Sa health mo pala. Okay, yan lang, te. Happy birthday. How about you?
Uy ko bang.
Happy birthday, sister.
Tita. Say happy birthday, tita. Happy birthday.
Baby!
Happy birthday. Say.
Happy 40th birthday, Len. I wish you good health and happiness, and may God bless you more and grant your heart's desire. Looking forward na magkita-kits tayo ulit dito and more travels. You enjoy your life, and we're not young anymore, but just enjoy. And always take care. God bless you. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Sowilin. Sana maging masaya ang birthday mo at puno ng blessings ang araw mo, just like you deserve. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Zoe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Sowilin! Happy birthday, Tita Sowilin! Tatakbo na si Bibi.
Hi Len, happy birthday. May you have many more natal days to come. I wish you good health. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita. We are really grateful that you've reached into this point of your life. And we are wishing for more birthdays to come. And thank you for all of the love and everything. I also hope that this will be a very blessed year. Thank you. We love you. Especially, we pray that God may give you a longer life and more birthdays to come. We love you. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Zoilin. Happy birthday po. And I wish you many more birthdays. Good health and strength, and more blessings to come po. Thank you so much for also being a blessing to us. And sa iyo na, 2026. Di na kami makikihati.
Happy birthday, me! Ano pa? Sana tumangkad ka na.
Happy birthday, Ate Len. More soya to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Sowilin! We love you!
We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Sowilin. We love you.
Happy birthday, Len!
So, God bless you more, Len, and more birthdays to come. At wish namin na sana hindi ka magbabago sa pakikito mo sa amin at sa lahat ng iyong mga kapag-anak. And wishing you health and long life. God bless.
Happy 40th birthday, Sowilin! Wishing you on your birthday, sana ma-enjoy ka, ma-enjoy mo ang iyong kaarawan, and sana maging strong confident as you are, a strong woman with a beautiful face and a kind heart. So keep on praying to God na anumang mga pagsubok na darating sa'yo as a mother, kaya mo yan. Walang pagsubok na hindi mo kakayanin. And stay pretty sa kabila ng mga trials or stress na darating sa'yo. God bless you. And we love you always and forever. Tandaan mo, nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Oh, saan tayo sa linggo? Tara, plano na. Happy birthday!
So, yun, happy birthday, Tito Sowilin, sa maganda naming tita. Wish you all the best. Pagpalain ka po sana ng Diyos at saka more blessings to come sa'yo. So, yun, maligayang arawan ulit para sa tita namin.
Ano sasabihin natin ko? Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Tita Sowilin. Wait lang, ang pangit.
Happy birthday, Sowilin. Sana sa iyong kaarawan ay maging masaya ka. Masaya din kami sa iyong kasiyahan. At Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Sana matuloy yung mga reunion natin nila Bibi makauwi. At kainin mo kami, baka makapasyal kami doon sa inyo. Malay mo naman. Kainin mo ko ha. Gusto mo, hire mo na lang ako na cook. Mag-offer ako ng catering. Happy birthday, Len.
Today is your birthday, a very special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows and it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, a very special day. Happy birthday, Len. We love you.
Hi Len, happy birthday! Many more birthdays to come and God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Tita Len, happy birthday, Tita Len. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Len. Happy birthday, Tita Len.
Hello, happy 14th birthday, Chinkit. I miss you. Happy birthday to you. Stay malakas ang katawan. 40 years old ka na. Stay strong and God bless you. I miss you. I love you. I want to see you soon. Sana maging okay palagi at stay strong kayo. Hindi makakasakit and more blessings to come. I love you. Mwah.
Hi, Dylan! Happy 40th birthday sa pinakamaganda kong pinsan. Pero ngayon lang yan. Bukas, ako naman ang pinakamaganda sa ating dalawa. At sana ay enjoy mo ang iyong araw at sana ay magkaroon ka ng girl or boy. Malay mo humabol at sana ay patuloy kayong pagpalain ng ating Panginoon at lagi kayong mag-iingat kung nasaan man kayo. At salamat sa mga memories na nakasama ko kayong lahat at sana ay makadalaw ulit kayo dito sa amin at sana ay patuloy kang bigyan ng kalusugan, kalakasan ng ating Panginoon at marami pang pagpapala. Maraming salamat and happy birthday! I love you, miss you!
Kaya happy 20th birthday nga pala, times 2. Wish you maraming happy birthdays pa. More blessings and good health sa iyo at sa pamilya mo. Kanahin mo yan, 40 ka na pala. Pero hindi halata, baby face ka pa rin. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Kahit di mo ko invite, ako lang. Alala mo ka na lang ng handa para sa akin. Happy birthday, Ate Lynn!
Also, Wilin, happy birthday! Best wishes on your birthday! Yung greetings namin sa'yo. Greet sa'yo. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Tita Zoeline! Best wishes!
Hi, Shaolin! Happy birthday to you! Grabe, haggard na. Maghapong busy. So, ayun. Gabi na bago ako nakapag-greet sa'yo. So, ayun. Happy birthday sa inchik naming pinsan. Bagamat wala kang dugong inchik, pero ang mata mo'y inchik. Wish you all the best. At many more birthdays to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Stay singkit. I love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bess. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bess. I love you.
Hi guys, how are you? Happy birthday. Wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy. All the best for your family, good health, and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lynn! Greetings from Jeddah. Masasabi ko talaga na isa kang strong woman. Mapagmahal na ina, mapagmahal na asawa, at higit sa lahat po ay mapagmahal na kapatid sa pamilya. Hiling ko po sa iyong kaarawan na sana'y marami pang kaarawan ang dumating sa iyong buhay. At sana'y bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng malakas na pangangatawan lagi at maging successful po sa iyong mga plano sa buhay. At maraming salamat po sa pagiging mabait na ate, sa aking ate Che, at parang ina na rin. At maraming salamat din po sa pagiging mabait na tita sa aking mga pamangkin. At sabi po sa number 6, 24 verses 26, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. I miss you and I love you po, Ate Lynn. At may God bless you always and to your family.
Hi, Beso Winnie. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. Masasabi ko lang, thank you sa friendship na meron tayo. Kahit na hindi tayo madalas magkita o years bago tayo magkita. Nandun pa rin yung closeness natin at yung friendship na natin. Thank you sa mga memories. Lalo na nung nandun ako sa UP sa inyo. Madalas ako doon, tapos may mga dalang paninda, diba? At tinutulungan mo ko para maubos yun, makakarating tayo kung saan-saan. Para maubos yung paninda ko. Napaka matulungin at maalalahanin mo kayo. Sana yung pagbago. Yun, wish ko sa birthday mo is good health sa'yo at sa family mo. At huwag ma-pressure sa buhay kasi tatanda tayong mabilis. Yun. Thank you sa lahat. And thank you sa lahat. Happy birthday. Again, happy birthday. Miss you. See you soon. See you very, very soon.
Hello guys! Today is Happy Lily birthday. And I will greet Lily.
Ate Linlin.
Ate Lily. Happy birthday to Lily. Happy birthday to Lily. Happy birthday to Lily. Happy birthday, Lily.
Okay, happy birthday, Linlin. Wish you more birthdays to come. Kagigising lang namin kaya ganyan ang itsura namin. Ayan si Rainbow. Rainbow wanna greet you a happy birthday. What else?
Bye-bye. See you.
Jolene!
Happy birthday, Tita Zoe.
Yan. Miss ka na namin. Wish ko na sana magkita na ulit tayo para magkabanding na ulit tayo. Miss ka na rin nila, Karil. Ingat ka palagi dyan. At siyempre kila Enoch. I love you. I miss you. God bless. Bye!
Good day, Zoe Lynn. So, nandito ako ngayon sa tabing dagat. Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best. And stay mabait. Yung lang, this is from Masbate.
Hello, Ate Zoe mula dito sa tahanan ng mga magagayon na Zinoragon na ipapakita ko sana sa inyo ngayon kaso hindi available, maulan. Kaya nasa loob ako ng bahay. I was waiting the whole day pero hindi siya nagpakita. Anyways, happy 18th birthday. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang taon na nakaraan. Pero sana masaya ka today and ipagpatuloy mo ang magiging mabuting tao, magiging mabait na kapatid at ate naming lahat. Maraming salamat for existing. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.